some doctors had challenged the Clinton, Obama, and Biden administrations blowing up of all rules to protect the public health and safety to push abortion pills on women. Judicial Watch had filed amicus briefs highlighting our work, exposing the political nature of what they had done and the dangerousness of what they had done. And the Supreme Court, in a widely expected, there's our press release, Judicial Watch files U.S. Supreme Court amicus brief on abortion drug. And we've been investigating this since they started pushing this abortion pill on. After Roe versus Wade was in the mifepristone case, the abortion pill case, where some doctors had challenged rule of law principles that we all